In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Trello board. Whether you're organizing tasks for a project or collaborating with your team, Trello is an excellent tool for staying on top of things. But when a board is no longer needed, it's a good idea to close it to keep your workspace tidy and manageable. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process of closing a Trello board and even show you how to reopen it if necessary. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to www.trello.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click the Login button. From here, you'll need to choose your preferred method of logging in. You can use your email and password, your Google account, or your Microsoft account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete any prompts that appear to verify your identity. When you're ready, click the Login button to access your Trello dashboard. Now that you're logged in, locate the workspace that contains the board you want to close. Once you've found it, click on the board to open it. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to take a moment to confirm that you're ready to close this board. Review its contents to ensure that all tasks or information have been completed, saved, or moved elsewhere if necessary. When you're sure you're ready to proceed, look for the three dots icon which represents the board options menu. You'll find this near the top of the board, usually in the right-hand corner. Click on the three dots to open a drop-down menu. Scroll through this menu until you see the option labeled Close Board, and then click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're certain you want to close the board. Take a moment to read it carefully, and if you're absolutely sure, click the Close button to confirm. Once you've done this, the board will be removed from your list of active boards. If you ever change your mind and want to reopen a board that you've closed, don't worry, it's simple to do. Start by going back to your boards page. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Closed Boards. From there, locate the board you'd like to restore and click on it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to close and reopen a Trello board. Keeping your workspace organized has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.